Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video guys, mag lawn mower tayo. Dahil mataas na ang mga grass guys, at saka mag trim tayo sa mga plants dahil mataas na kasi. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Magtubel muna tayo sa gasoline ng lawn mower. So, ito yung gasoline guys. So, maliit na lang. Ito yung lawn mower guys. So, lagyan natin gasoline. Gasol. Gahi pala to. Ang tigas. So, yan guys. Dahil hindi siya umandar kapag hindi maraming gasolina to ilagay. O maliit na lang, hindi siya umandar. So, ilagay natin dito guys. Hindi kasi ito umandar kapag hindi ang dami ng gas sa loob. So, yan. Lagyan natin pa. Oh my God. Ang dami pala tong gas. Overflow na. Okay. Okay. Balik na natin to dito.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so...
Okay guys, snack muna tayo guys. Grabe kainit ice cream. Saka tubig guys. Grabe yung init guys. Na ang aking ice cream. Kain tayo. Aking camera guys, namamatay sa kainit. Hindi ko alam kung na-capture ba ang lawn mower. Pagkating ko ng grass. Grabe ang init dito guys, 95 Fahrenheit. Mainit kasi dito na. Kapag init dito, init din. At saka pag winter, malamig. Ang lamig din guys. Grabe. Labi na kapag nagtatrabaho ka. Naligo ka ng pawis. Yan ang backyard guys oh. Pero hindi pa na lawn mo, baka susunod na lang. Ngayon sa front yard muna at saka mag-trim para basura ang mga branches doon sa mga tinanim natin na ikakat, ititrim natin. Mga sanga-sanga guys kung sa Bisaya pa. ng ating puputulin ngayon guys. Pahinga muna ako dahil ang init, parang hindi ko makahinga sa kainit guys, masyadong init. 7 PM na dito guys, pero grabe ang init pa rin dahil parang 8:30 ang dumilim dito guys, kasi ang araw naglolongges ng araw dito sa Amerika. Tumataas na taas ng araw dito guys. So dito mag-change ang oras. Pahuway sa ko diri guys, magkakat ng plants, mga tanim natin, i-trim natin mamaya na. So yun ang aking garden guys. So yun, mayroong mais na tanim, malalaki-laki na. At saka yan is apple yan. I transfer and then parang namamatay na. Dahil ang init kasi. At saka deserto kasi dito. Mayroong dalawa doon natitira. So yan, nilagyan namin to ng cover, ground cover, para hindi siya tumutubo. Yan, lagyan ng ground cover dahil palagi lang tumutubo ang damo. Okay guys, parang okay na, magpunta na tayo doon sa tapusin na natin paglon mo. Pakita ko sa inyo pagtapos na guys, dahil mainit ang camera guys. Picture at saka dito lawn mower. Yan guys, yan ang natapos nag-lawn mo guys. Ito mataas siya, hindi nakakat, so ikakat natin. Yan, hindi nakat sa lawn mo, so ikakat natin para perfect.
I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is.
So ayan guys, tayo dito. Ayan.
Bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt.
So ayan, ayan wala nang mataas na grass dito. Yan ang flowers, mataas na flowers to. Sa isang taon, kaisa lang magbulak yan. So yan guys, tapos na. So ayan guys, tapos ko na pag-retouch. Yan guys pero ibublow na naman natin ang mga damo-damo. Yan, Ganda na tingnan guys. Yun oh. Ikakat pa natin yan. Ang tagal. So ito guys, ang left blower guys. Yan. Left blower.
Small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be my.
What you doing, RJ?
I'm here to grab that.
What you doing?
What?
What you doing?
I want this.
You want that? Okay, go
And I wanna use it.
Go there in the.
To blow you up.
Don't do that.
It's
Go
what I
there in the sidewalk. Not yet. Yun na. Don't do that.
I blow it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, go na. Go blow that there in the sidewalk.
Okay.
Small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first.